Are you 100% sure to start a blog in 2021? If yes, that's excellent news. It would be great if you thank yourself for making this wonderful decision. I'm going to cover each step on how to sign up in blogger.com. As a beginner, it's very difficult to decide correct platform. We all want a platform that is easy to set up, has a low learning curve, and doesn't require coding skills. That means it's important to choose a blogging platform which is flexible to use. Starting off with the wrong platform can make it very difficult later on to switch. And if I talk about this blogger.com, that is really nice website and platform to use to start your career with. It's actually free. We don't need to pay any amount here. So let's begin it with a tutorial where we will know some features, elements that will help us to create a nice blog. Let's move. My name is Kajal Singh and this is my channel So Far So Good. If you really appreciate the video and the tips which I'm going to suggest and the features about blogging.com, you are allowed to click on like button. Don't forget to share with your friends who need and who are looking forward to start their career as a blogger. Of course, you can subscribe as well so that you can get notifications whenever I will upload my video. So let's move ahead. So simply, we'll go to the official site of Blogger and we'll search on Google, the same website. So here I will type blogger.com login. We will click on the first option that is asking us to sign in.
And here I will select my Gmail address, which will help me to create the ID.
Here I have to choose a name for my blog, and this is the title that will display at the top of my blog. So let's write the channel name only, So Far So Good. I will click on next. Now here I have to add the address. We need to go ahead and create a blogging address, or we can say domain name basically. This is the address that people will look you up, and this is how people will find you on the internet. So let me again write my channel name, So Far So Good .blogspot. So they are saying that this address is not available. I may add few numbers. So Far So Good. Now it's valid. I will click on next option. So it is about the name when you will publish and people will get notified what names do you want them to look up. So I will write my name, Kajal Singh. Now I'll click on finish. It is under process. Yay! Congratulations, Kajal. So you have created the account successfully. So let's move forward. So till now I haven't uploaded any blog. That is why it says there are no posts. So let's see what features do we have in this platform. I will click on the 3 lines option that is given at the left corner of the site. Here I have few options available that will help me to start my blog. So let's first of all understand how can we create a new blog and or post. I will click on new post. It may take some time. Here I have to select the title. Want to inform people about my channel, so I will write my channel name, Far So Good. Now, so here I would like to inform people about the details which I have for this channel. So I'm delighted to inform you all about my new YouTube channel. I can use some emojis as well. Here it is. Let's suppose I'm done with my content. So here let's see what features and what added functions can work on this platform. First, we will click on the pencil option that is available below. So far so good title. I will always keep my draft in compose view. We don't need to transfer it into HTML view as it may confuse you. So we will not make any modification here. Let's see what this function works. If you see, we have two arrows available. We will click on the left arrow that works to take the steps back. And if I click on the right arrow, it will help me to bring my content back. So in case if you want to make any modifications, these arrow can help in such case. Now to modify your fonts, you have also available an option where you can change your fonts as per the requirement. I'm okay with the Arial, so I will go with that only, but it's up to you. If you want to make some changes, you are allowed to do that. This function is also available. If we want to highlight and want to increase the size of our font, let's suppose we have to add some headlines and maybe we want to highlight few keywords of our blog. So I can modify that. Let's do it. I want to highlight that it's my new channel. I will click on text, would like to make it largest, and here we are ready with that. Now next option is available for the paragraph. Do you want to keep it as a paragraph or do you want to create some headings? That up to you. So I have made some changes. You can see it's now in highlighted font. So as per the requirement and as per the purpose of your blog, you can make headings, you can use subheading. We have minor heading as well, and normal blog can be used as a paragraph, and of course if you want to use it normal, so it will be, you can use it as a normal also. After that we have an option for the setting. Here if you want to create a labels, you can create for the same. Let's suppose my channel is about introductional videos. So I will keep one label for the introduction. Another section can be, I want to make some tutorials. So that section can be made as a tutorial. So that actually separate your different topics from one another. Now the next option is available, that is published. Do you want to publish it on the spot and do you want to plan it? Do you want to schedule it? So as per your comfort and as you want your viewers to read it, you can make some modification here with the date and timing. I will click on automatic. Now another option is available for the link. So if you want to share with your friends or family about your blog, you are allowed to click on this link and that will help you to share with your friends about the specific blog. And these locations are something very easy that we all use in most of the applications. I will not consume your time. Now options. This is very crucial point for the blogging. I will suggest you to allow the comments so that you may get the chance to make some modifications. I always keep it allow. If you are done with your blog contents, you are allowed to click on send option. This will publish this post to your blog on at particular time. If you click on confirm, it will be published and anyone can have a look into that. I clicked on confirmed and successfully my blog has been published. If you wish to share, you can click on share option that will allow you to share with multiple media. If you want to see what is the performance of your recent blog, you can click on views. Till now nobody has viewed my blog, that is why it shows no data. However, if you share it with your friends, on the spot it will show that how many readers had a look. Now let's see what options we can have on the given 3 lines, that is at left corner of the site. I will click on 3 lines. Let's see in status what do we know. It is all about your overall performance of the blogging. As I shared that I have just published my blog and nobody is aware of this. If we wish to share, as we are beginner, you can share with your friends so that you can review what performance is going on. I will click on again 3 lines. Here the third option will allow us to have a look on the given comments. It's very important to have a look into that so that you can delete some spam messages that sometimes we receive on our blogs. So it's very important to monitor it. Next option is about earnings. Here we have few amazing articles that will help us and that will add more light into this earning post. I request you to go with all the frequent asked questions that will help you to decide how can you increase the chance to earn the money from the same website. Now the pages will help us if we have different content for the different topics. You can create many pages as per your content. If we talk about layout, here we have few layouts and design that helps us, that can make your blog amazing. So if you want to add some gadgets, you are also allowed to do it. Let's click on theme. Here we have a theme for this blog that emphasize that once somebody will open your profile, how do you want your viewers to look at into that. So if you want to modify as per your requirement, you are allowed to add your headings, details that will add nice impression to somebody who is looking forward to go through with your profile. Another option is setting that is similar as we discussed earlier. Let's click on reading list, which will allow us to go through with some points and hints that can help to improve our blogging. If we click on view blog, it will allow us to have a look and to review how does our blog look like. Since I have posted, you can see that the topic is on highlighted mode and I had published on 27th of Feb. So this is what we all had about this blog. So if you know some other features of this blogging and that I missed, you are allowed to share in the chat box. I'll definitely go through with that and will try to implement it in my next video with the updated version. If you are looking forward to get some introduction videos and some tutorial, you are allowed to share again in the chat box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.